So we picked up an Elcamino, and the cool thing is it got delivered. So I bought this sight on scene. Let's check it out. We had the Chop-Mino was building. Let me know in the comment section, you know, do you think this is a better car? Especially if you're a subscriber and a viewer. If you're new, then let me know what your first impressions is. Here's the car. It's a 79 80 got the Malibu front end Elcamino. It's got the fiberglass cowl hood. The fitment is awful. Needs adjusted. You can tell it just got stuck on there. And yeah. Underneath this supposedly is a 355. I do not know if it runs or drives. This actually come from a friend of mine who had it 3 years, and before that it just sat. So I don't know how long this car's been off the highway. Probably about a decade, maybe 2 decades. We got a dent in this fender. Can you see it? Right here. That's probably fixable in this front one, but it'd probably be best just replace the whole fender. We got these old school 15-inch rims. Don't know if they center caps. Probably not. We got missing mirror. Go figure. Chevrolet on the door. Take a look inside. The door does open. Looks to be all good. Yeah, it smells like old car mildew. If you mess with these old cars, you know what I'm talking. Well, that's probably why it smells like mildew. Like that. Anything in a glove box? Nothing. Okay. No CD player. A BMB shifter. That's pretty cool. And you can tell that's been in there since the 90s. Well, that won't tighten. Well, that have to be dealt with. Don't know what the seats look like underneath. They might actually be pretty good. Probably not though. In the back is some speakers. Nothing too fancy. Just by looking at it for the first time, it's already in better shape than the other car. The other car, well, you know it's going to need 4 pans. The other car does too. But the firewall is gone on the other car, and the wiper cowl. The roof is totally gone. Right in here, this is solid. So far, this car is more solid. If the firewall is good, the wiper cowl is good. You can tell by looking at it. So, in the back, looks okay. Just, I don't see no rust up around here. This is gone, but that's patchable. This is gone, and patchable from the other car. Tailgate's been shaved. That tail pan. It's got the chrome. Gas door, and this definitely has the air shocks. I don't know if that was a factory option, but the last 2 Elcaminos both had the air shocks in the same place. The frame underneath, yeah, the G body solid for where we at. It's got some frame damage, but you know, nothing that you can't cut out and plate. A lot of people frowned upon that, but it's perfectly fine. Inside, driver's side. I thought that door was, oh, what a dent. Door was hitting. Probably can pop that out. Got a mirror underneath the hood. That's where it's at. Got a 350 turbo in it, supposedly. Don't hold me to that. Be nice if it was a turbo 400. Now let's try to get the hood up. I don't know why I closed that door. I see Matt. He might be coming to help us, and he might just be watching me make a video here. It opened. I can tell by if it ain't been messed with and somebody installed the wrong harmonic balancer. But that skinny balances though is a 350. Unless it's got a notch in the back, which I can't see. You usually have to feel for. Then it will be a 400, but the casting numbers on the block will tell us that. It's got an inline fuel filter. I don't know if the throttle's stuck. My hood won't stay up. We'll go over it in a future video. We'll try to get it running. The hood closes. It's a fuss. Does the window go down? If the window goes down, we'll be winning. It goes down. Look at this. We got all the grass in the other one too. It's already a more solid car. I didn't see no holes in the firewall. The wiper cowl, you can usually just look in here and you can see. Hey, looks pretty solid. Windshield's cracked, but we can buy a windshield. This was a non-vinyl top car. Or if it was a vinyl top, it's got done away with once upon a time, but pretty sure this is a non-vinyl top. We shaped the drip wells on the other Camino. We might do this one too. I like the looks of that. Oh, so in the LS swap tow truck we go. We got to load this up. It's gonna be a super fun video for you guys, especially if you're new. You probably didn't know we built a LS swap tow truck on the channel. We sure did. And that's what we're gonna be hauling this Camino to the other shop today with the tow truck. So let's go ahead and start this up. Is it in neutral? Hope so. I got neutral safety bypassed. Don't do that. It's not safe. Gotta hold the clutch in to start it. You don't mind. Okay, let's see which way we need to go. You go over, son. Always fun lining these tow trucks up. That's straight enough. We can stealing what's on the car because they unloaded it. I do know that. So we just steal the car up onto the rollback. Makes sense. Makes plenty of sense to me. Just in case. Oh, I need to unload that. Oh, you gotta engage the PTO. I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, PTO is this that says caution PTO. See? Engaged. Take this and put it in the back of the Elcamino. And just as far as we have to go, I hooked and set it on the control arms to the bumper bracket. There's some kind of synthetic cable, very strong. It breaks, it don't kill you, and it's easy on your hand. You ain't doing a lot of tows over a mountain or something. You have to have that steel cable. This works great. idea because I don't want to bend that tube.
That's kind of what I was looking at.
Yeah.
Brake line and the tube.
Yeah.
Brake line looks junk anyway.
We buy some NiCat and just redo them all. I get it running. One should hold it.
I brought two if we need it.
It's up to you. My big hook's on the male. My actual big hook.
Yeah. Good enough.
Good enough.
For far as you're going.
Watch me. Oh, God. You want to put it in park for me?
Do you want to come farther up on it or not?
Huh?
You want me to give you some more slack so you can come out further, or is that fine?
That's fine. Where we going? We're just going like what? 175 foot, maybe 100 foot.
Oh, I'd say at least 100 yards.
That's an old school John Deere, ain't it?
Yeah. They don't even sell the push mowers anymore.
Oh, they don't. That one needs a carburetor crane, don't it?
What's getting that now?
Is it?
I got a 4-can B12 in it.
That's the best way to clean it. B12, very nice. A good solvent cleaner. Lucas, not so much. It does clean and work. So does Seafoam, but Berryman seems to have that solvent that cleans a lot better.
Seafoam works good too, though. The Seafoam works good
It
too.
does straight down there. I had to make another trip down because I forgot to load this into the Elcamino, the spare parts. That was on the rollback, my lamps and Mazda 3 limbs that I kept when I got rid of the Mazda 3, the affordable Mazda 3. I brought them back up here, but all in all, the rocker panels, you know, it's pretty gone. Easy to replace rocker panels though, but she's pretty solid. Need to roll the window up eventually. I mean, if it gets a little water in it, what is gonna hurt? It's not how you attach your roll pan. Tailgate, I wonder if it opens. No, the Elcamino, the tailgate don't open. I also spotted a tailgate with a massive dent in the bed with tons of garbage. I like these rims. Oh. Just one lug nut on this side. Oh, we got 3 up here. We can take one, put on the back over there. That's 100% safe. We got this at 2. 2, so they put 1 extra on that front wheel. The bumper, I latched to the front of the bumper, and I don't know if that side was done like it or not, but the bumper needs pushed back in, which we might do something cool with the bumpers. I don't know. We got bumper brackets on the other one if we need them, because I might have bent them a little. I didn't even think it was pouring on it that hard, you know. Or the impact bumper, they like a cylinder, they probably came out. You can see them back in there. Let's see. What does that look like to you? Does it look like it came out? We got another Elcamino added to the mini project cars that we now have. What do you think? Comment below, because you know I do enjoy y'all's input, and I needed a good thumbnail, so I had to post Chevelle. Yep. Oh, the BMW X5. We'll be doing videos on this here soon. We done made a couple videos. You seem to enjoy it. I seem to enjoy this car. I got to do seat motors in it. All the motors in the seat was froze up and didn't work, so getting the seats out was a pain, but we eventually got them, and we'll be installing motors in it soon and detailing it. Don't know if I'll make a video, maybe. Oh, the Maverick, we need to get back on this too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.